In data collection, various dash are employed to gather information. Representation of data involves converting raw data into dash formats. Effective data collection methods ensure dash and accuracy. Data representation plays a crucial role in dash analysis and decision-making. Dash is a common method of data collection involving direct interaction with subjects. Surveys and questionnaires are widely used for dash data collection. Dash data collection involves observing subjects in their natural environment. In experimental research, data collection is conducted through dash and control settings. Data variables are classified into dash and dependent variables. Categorical variables represent dash data categories.